Excitement is coming!
You're so cute, Becca.
I'm so excited right now. We're headed to our house, and they said that they had put it in the spot that they were supposed to. I'm going insane. Oh, but really, every time we pull up on this road right here, I'm like, okay, it's about to happen. Something amazing.
I see the top of our house.
I see the top of our house too. That's exciting. Okay, I'll show you guys in just a second. It's so exciting. It's so exciting. Our garbage can is not. Oh, there it is.
Our house is not level at all.
Oh, wow. Oh man, that's not as exciting as I thought it was gonna be. Ooh, mail.
Yeah,
We're gonna die. There's a car coming.
Uh-oh. Don't die us. Don't die.
Okay,
Office now open.
we're live. What?
Manager on site.
Really?
That's what it says right there.
That's weird. Here's our house. Doesn't it look amazing?
Huge. Gorgeous. How did he get into the office?
Yeah, probably not in the office. We're finally here during the day. Yay! We're walking down because there's this gigantic pile of dirt right here and a truck right here. It's exciting. It's exciting to see progress. And it snowed last night. Looks like 3 inches, 2 or 3 inches. Whew. Wow. They've done a lot more than last time.
Excavating this whole area
Yeah.
for some reason.
For some reason. That's exciting. Woohoo. One day we're gonna be looking at this video going, whoa, that is so crazy to see what it was like back then. Okay, that's where we're headed. This is our house.
The living room right here. Show the door where you walk in.
Here's the door into our bedroom right there.
This
Here's
is
the
the front
front.
door of the house, right here. And this is the living room. So we're going to have the TV hooked up right there. Against that wall, and we'll have the surround sound speakers right here. And then we'll have our couches right here.
Oh, will we?
Or right here. or
Wherever.
Somewhere in this area. And there is underground.
Vent.
There.
Oh wait, let's see what color carpet. Can we? Oh, it's like a brown color. It looks like about the same color as it was in our other house.
Yeah. And then this is our
There's the
bedroom.
little cranny nook thing up there that we get to
The
put.
walls are nicer. Look,
Yes, they're
actual
real.
walls
They're real.
instead of those nasty other ones.
Oh, I love
With
it.
vaulted ceilings.
Vaulted.
Vaulted ceilings even in the bedrooms.
Yep.
So this is our bedroom. Right here. Or part of our bedroom anyway. It goes this way because there's a bathroom.
Yep. It's so nice. Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's like a vent here. There's a vent through here.
Yeah.
So that way air can flow.
It's so amazing. It's just amazing. Alright, I'm gonna go in the very corner.
We couldn't get into the other side because the door was locked.
I might be able to find the key though.
Maybe.
Hey! Here's our house, and guess what? We found out there's a little hole right here. So I'm gonna try and go inside, see the bathroom. Let me see here.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting caked with mud.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Hi everybody, how are you? So I'm taking a video. Here's the crack. This doorway right here is beautiful. And this I am assuming will just be open. into our bedroom. Because I don't think there's going to be a door here.
Doesn't look like there is.
I don't think there's going to be a...
Arched? That's beautiful.
Yeah, there's a little arch at the top. Anyway, yeah, I already told you about that. It's taped shut. So we have one sink here, a bunch of things underneath. I'm guessing this will just go right into our bedroom. And then we have
Huge cabinet.
this big old closet right here for space, here in the bathroom. And then we have another door right here, which is the toilet room. And just nothing fancy, just toilets and lights. And then I'll show
It's
her.
so bright and beautiful, and that's how it's gonna look. Because
Yes.
this is in the right spot.
This bathtub has the drain here in the center of the tub instead of right under the water. The drain is right here, Becca,
Oh, weird.
right in the middle.
Huh.
Oh, a shower head. Interesting. There's the top of our side of our house. There's my cute wife. She's so pretty. I have a crying baby in the back seat too. Alright, so there's the outside of our house. And the plastic is still on it. There's our front door. Right there's the front door. There's the office door, and those are the two office windows. That's a living room window, bedroom window. That's the north. That bedroom right there will be the boys' room. Oh no, that room, that window right there is actually the second bedroom. And then that room, that window is the living room window. So anyway, that's outside of our house.
Hello, I would like to buy a storage unit. Big, huge closet. Huge break of stuff. Ooh. Just be careful not to fall in the floor.
Fall through the crack, huh?
Yep.
So then here's the boys' bedroom again.
Is it the exact same size as the maintenance office?
I think they're mirror images of each other, yeah, I think so.
Oh. Well, that's good. I like that the hallway is not a tiny, tiny, skinny
Yeah.
hallway. And this is our personal space. Nice big window. Aw. I'm gonna turn on the light.
No lights in the bathroom.
It's big too. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. It looks so nice. I love that. I love that. Hey, we can have a nice mirror right on the end of the hallway, right there.
Oh, on this wall?
On that wall.
Oh, okay. So you can see yourself every time you're walking that way.
Woo-hoo! And I like this.
And so they pinched the ceiling and everything together.
Wow. It's amazing how they make it fit so nicely. Hey, come in this corner. Wow, it's so big. That is awesome. Oh my goodness. How wonderful. How wonderful.
By the way, this in the master bedroom and in the living room is wired so that you can put a ceiling fan.
Oh.
So that's why it doesn't have a light fixture already in there. I didn't either. So there's a closet. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Different. But cool. I love the archway. I love all the closet space. It's making me so happy.
They stitched it up together right here. And then they just covered it with this panel.